Quality sanitation is a universal human right and a crucial component of public health and human dignity. Thankfully, we are making rapid strides in this area and toilets are being constructed across the country. But for thousands of citizens in India living in low-income urban communities, factors like lack of space or money, uncertainty about land ownership, and the possibility of moving or being evicted makes individual toilets an unviable option. So if we want to ensure that everyone has access to improved sanitation, community toilets are a necessary part of urban sanitation strategy. In 2011, an ambitious attempt was initiated to see if a new sanitation solution could be created that would address the key problems of communal sanitation. While also being sustainable and scalable enough to inform the sanitation strategies of the cities across India. Using innovation, knowledge, and collaboration, we set out to achieve these objectives. This initiative was called Project Samman. Over the course of 8 years, the project constructed innovatively designed facilities, implemented a systematic community management framework, mobilized and educated users of these facilities, and conducted an impact evaluation of various behavior change strategies. We collaborated with a diverse range of stakeholders in order to work in each of these areas. A team of local municipal authorities and experts from diverse fields like behavior change, architecture, research, and technology worked together to create a model that would be locally grounded, accepted by potential users and local communities, and designed to accommodate large-scale implementation and monitoring. While it has not been easy by any means, our richest insights have come from the challenges we have faced. The model was designed with knowledge sharing and replicability in mind so that parts of it can be taken and adapted to any context. Part of this knowledge sharing includes sharing what has worked well and also being honest about where the challenges lie and how to address them. We have captured all these years of insights and learning into a toolkit. The hope is that other governments and key stakeholders working in sanitation can draw from our experience to inform their own urban sanitation strategies. Project Samman has tried to understand and address multiple facets of the community sanitation puzzle. And while we have certainly made progress, there's still so much more to learn.